There is a problem I want to show to the technicians, most especially those who are in the field of biotech engineer, more especially in the area of dialysis machines. This machine is Fresenius, and the model is 4008H. So he has a problem, he has an issue. The issue is that when you want to disinfect, it will be showing OD. This is what it shows, OD sense blood. I don't know if some of you witness this problem. Whenever you want to disinfect or you want to test the machine, it shows this error often. Now, on the 4008S, it doesn't show that way. But this 4008H, this is how it normally show when you press rinse or disinfection, it will be showing you OD sense blood. So the way to rectify this problem is not by opening the machine. Way to rectify it is here. Way to rectify it is here. So this is the clamp, the blood light clamp. So we are going to, this is what is complaining about. This is the OD sensed blood which is complaining about at the screen. When you pressed cleaning, will be showing you OD sensed blood. Be showing you OD sensed blood. So we'll have to clean this area. Once you clean this place, once this place is clean and this place is clean, as you can see, this place is clean very well. You have to use gauze to clean it. So once it's been cleaned very well, the error will clear. So I'm going to perform it right now so that you see it. So I'm going to perform it by cleaning. This is just a gauze.